Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from bhameshtechanalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week, as we have monthly closing tomorrow and a new month coming, June month, which really, which is always an exciting month to trade in. And more importantly, we are having some two Astro events and one Gann dates which are coming together. So whenever these kind of moves are happening, we tend to see a very good move in the market. Okay, so let me start with the first thing. First thing is, like I've told in many of my videos, Sun is the biggest planet, and the second planet nearest to the Sun is Mercury. So Mercury has very big impact on all the world markets, including India. So what is the event which is happening? Like Mercury is going in retrograde. So Mercury is, from the Earth, from the geocentric way, if we see, then Mercury will start moving in anti-clockwise direction. This particular astro phenomenon is called as retrograde, and Mercury is going in retrograde. So what I've done is, again to reiterate, I'm using a software, timingsolutions.com. This can be purchased by going to their website, timingsolution.com. It's a very good software for astro analysis, for even price analysis. So you can download the trial version and try it off, and if you like it, you can purchase it. So what I'm doing is Mercury, and I'm doing a retrograde, and I have drawn these lines are automatically come. Last time it happened on 29th of January, and once the event is over, we made a major bottom, and from there we had a big rally in the market, right? Let me go. This was the best rally. Again, it happened here, almost a top. It didn't do much, but this top was not closed. This top was never. Breached till it moved when it started becoming direct again. Another incident which happened recently, again a bottom, and from there the market has been rallying. So this is a very important event. So it has happened on this Sunday, this 29th, which is last Saturday. So basically, if Nifty keeps, because Nifty has made an all-time high, so we can see a change in trend. But for us, levels are paramount. So always remember, when it comes to trading, we are doing all this analysis to get an edge. But our price should always confirm. Don't try to predict the market and make your positions beforehand. Let the market show the price and then do it. As we are closing at the new all-time high, so if I want to see a reversal, then I need to see a break of at least 15,390 and closing below it, which was the low on last Friday. Then only we can expect some reversals in the market. I'll share the levels by the end of the video, but this is the first astro phenomenon which I'm looking at. Second astro phenomenon which is happening, which is very important, is the aspect between Sun, which is king of all the planets, to it's a conjunction which is happening with North Node, which is also called Rahu. It's a very rare phenomenon. It happens like almost like once in 1.5 years. But whenever it happens, it creates some big moves in the market. So let's see when it is happening. And 1 minute, it didn't draw properly. So I'm looking for Sun, and I'm looking conjunction with Rahu, which is called as North Node. Rahu has like Earth has an orbit period of 365 days around the Sun. Rahu has for 18 and a half years. So it's a very important. These astro phenomena comes very less, and I'm looking from the elliptical path from the Earth. Calculate, and this is happening on 31st, which is tomorrow. So these are two astro dates which are coming together. When it happened last, it happened here, and after that you see like market just consolidated. We had this big fall, and after that a big rally. So this happens very rarely. Again, it happened here. From there we made a major bottom and a big rally. So two astro phenomena are coming together. Third one which is coming together is the Gann date. I'm using a software, Gann Analyst Professional. Now if I open the Nifty's chart, which I've just shown you, so Nifty has made a bottom on 29th of January. So I go to tools, Gann emblem, and I'm looking for 20. I'm rotating this wheel in such a manner that it captures a major bottom which was happening on 29th January. So we get the dates, right? 90 degree was on April 29th. 120 degree was on May 30th, which is happening now. Let's see what happened on April 29th. And then 120. Again, these are important trend change dates for Nifty using the Gann emblem. So where we are using a 360 degree, a circle, a square and a triangle. So whenever these dates, you can note these dates, and these are the dates which you can use in future also. Jan 29th, we made a major bottom for this year as of now. So I'm using that date, rotating the wheels and get it. We have, it's all automated for us, but if someone, and this software is free to download, just Google Gann Analyst Professional and you'll get it. So April 29th was the last date and May 30th, which is today. So 31st again. So important date tomorrow. So I'm giving you the logic why these dates are so important, why 31st, and it is being a monthly close also. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So this is Gann date. Let me just quickly check what happened on April 29th. So I'm going here. This is bank. Let me open the Nifty's chart on a daily time frame, and I'm looking at April 29th, 12, 22nd, 28th, 29th. See here, a perfect top, and from there we had a good fall, or almost 2 to 3 days. Yeah, so this is how we can use this simple techniques. So now I've shown you this. So these are the important dates, and few things which I wanted to add. I wanted to show you the weekly chart of Nifty, because on that weekly chart for both Nifty and Bank Nifty we are hitting an important Gann level. So I just wanted to show you that. This chart will take some, yeah, see here we are hitting this line. So this line will come around somewhere around 15,550 to 15,571. And another important thing which is happening, we are completing an important sharp pattern in Nifty which has PRZ zone is around 15,550, right? So 15,550 and 15,541 is a very important Gann level which you can draw it from the 75511 low. So to summarize everything, so Nifty 541 to 571 is a zone for profit booking for the longs. So people who are already long use this zone to book profit. If you want to create a fresh longs, try to create above 15,600, and these are the levels I'm watching out: 674, 729, 800 and 879. And short should be taken below 15,385, which is below Friday's low. I mean, because if that is broken, you have your Mercury retrograde low also getting breached, and 31st as I shown you. And these are the targets I'm looking on downside. And this is the levels for Bank Nifty longs and shorts. Both shorts are below 34,899. These are the targets I'm looking at, and longs above 35,525, and these are the targets I'm looking at. So this time I've just wrote these numbers here. I mean, a lot of people have asked me to write it, so just for your benefit, any improvement you want to see in the video, just let me know. I'll try to incorporate so that it can help you in the best possible way. And let me just quickly show you the supply and demand chart of Nifty. And if this is a ninja trader, see here, this trend line resistance is also coming in that particular zone only. If you see this zone, this will also, so 15,600 is breached, then this trend line resistance is again coming around 16,000. So we can see a fast rally. Like retrograde will always lead to a fast move in the market, you know. And let me show you the Bank Nifty chart, because Bank Nifty has closed exactly at a important resistance zone. See here, 34,550, it was not able to breach. So that is why we have given the levels accordingly. So I've shown you all the important dates, why this is important. Astro Gann dates, very important date. Let's see what market has in place, and let's see how we are able to capture the moves. Levels have been mentioned here. Let me, so these are the levels which I'm looking at. Watch out for these levels. Don't get overexcited and trade in bigger position size, because if you want to have success in market, you need to trade in a quantity in which you are able to manage your losses. That is the trick to be successful and having a long career in stock market. This is what I was taught by my trading guru also. Trade in a quantity. Don't get overexcited. Trade big quantities, buy big positions in options, because when we started trading, the options market was not liquid, so we mostly used to trade in futures. But as the option market is maturing and you're getting deep OTM options quite cheap, so don't get super excited and buy them in bulk. And then if that move doesn't happen, like last week we have that Saturn retrograde also. A lot of people were expecting a fall, but the low of Saturn retrograde was never breached, and from there we had a very clean rally of 150 points, right? So 150 to 200 points. So this is what it is. Stay disciplined, trade with the right position size, and keep letting me know if any improvement required. You want me to incorporate anything. And I wish you guys all the best for the coming week. Take care of yourself and be safe, be healthy. Thank you.